Ready to dive into the exciting, and sometimes turbulent, world of Coinbase stock trading? First, you'll need a brokerage account. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. Popular options include Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or even online platforms like Robinhood. Choose one that suits your needs regarding fees and features. Next, familiarize yourself with order types. A market order buys or sells immediately at the current price. A limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay or receive, and stop-loss orders are crucial for managing risk by automatically selling if the price drops to a certain level. Now, let's talk research. Keep a close eye on news related to Coinbase and the crypto market in general. Regulatory changes, major crypto trends, and even company announcements can all significantly impact the stock price. Delve into Coinbase's financial reports. Look for key indicators like revenue growth, user base expansion, and profitability. Understanding these metrics will give you a better sense of the company's overall health and potential. Consider learning some basic technical analysis. This involves studying charts and using indicators to identify potential entry and exit points. Although not foolproof, it provides valuable insights into market trends. It's essential to manage your risk effectively. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio by including other stocks and asset classes beyond just Coinbase. Finally, remember that investing in Coinbase, or any stock, carries risk. Stay informed, do your research, and consider consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Happy trading.